Still confused about in, at and on? Master time prepositions in just 5 minutes. Be with me. A great way to remember the rule for prepositions of time using at, in, on. Hi, I'm Suresh Kumar from Nile Institute of Languages and Education, Bangalore. Please subscribe our channel. Let us see how we use in, at, on in reference to time. Like at is used for a precise time or short moments, like clock times. No, my class is at 5 p.m. or you can say at midnight, at lunchtime, at breakfast, or other specific times like the weekend, at the weekend, at night. Examples: I will meet you at 3 p.m. or we have a class at lunchtime. Now when you take on is always used days and dates, for days and dates. Please don't confuse, okay? When you speak about a day or a dates. Like days, on Monday. My birthday is on Monday. On a Sunday. Now when you talk about dates, like dates you can say May 31st. Or my birthday is on October 7th. Now when you talk about special days, like on my birthday, on New Year's Day. Example, again you can say like we are having a party on Saturday, or my birthday is on October 7th. Use in for months, years, seasons, long periods, or general parts of a day. Like months you can use for in December, in March, and years, decades, centuries, like in 2026, in the 1990s, and for the seasons like summer, winter, in summer, in winter, or in a winter. Now parts of the day, like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Take an example: the weather is beautiful in spring, or I was born in 2000. Thank you.